So recently I came across this video, and the thing is that I like this effect, so let's just recreate this. So first of all, open up Adobe Illustrator and go for the rectangle tool, and I'll be going with 266 width and 52 height and black color. Then you have to draw another square with the same height as before. Use the direct selection tool to modify the square into a triangle, and then just duplicate it and flip horizontally to make it like this shape. So when you have this figure properly adjusted, you can duplicate it multiple times and arrange all of these to get a nice looking digital figure. You can use just Ctrl+D to duplicate everything, and Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V to copy and paste. Also, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you don't miss any update. So when you have completed this figure, select everything and group this. Now make a new layer and duplicate everything 4 times for every single digit, and delete some of these lines to create your random figure you want. For example, in the music video you had 12 o'clock, so you wanted 1, 2 and 2 zeros. Here I'm gonna go with 1 o'clock, so I want 0, 1 and 2 zeros for the minutes. So let's just delete additional lines. So you can again create a new layer and duplicate the same figure multiple times and erase and modify all of these lines to get your name. I'll be going with my channel name, and here it is. So here it is, everything is completed now. Now you can just export it as a PNG or save it as an Illustrator file. And now we'll be moving to After Effects. So now open up After Effects, create a new composition. Size will be 1920 by 1080, duration I'm using 10 seconds. You can use your own. Double click the project window and import the illustration. You can select the kind composition and then just drag this composition of digits into the timeline. Now press S to get the scale option, and you can resize it to your liking. When you are done, create a new solid, which the color will be same as the colors of the digits, and then you just have to pick up the ellipse tool and hold shift to create a nice ellipse. When you have done this, press P to get the position, and then you can just reposition it between the digits. When you are happy with the position of it, then you have to press T to get the opacity, press the stopwatch to get the opacity keyframe enabled, and then hold Alt on your keyboard and left click once on this parent button and double click on opacity so that you get this expression. here in the expression, just paste the expression from the description, and if you now play this, you can see this animation. So if you're not happy with the speed of this blinking, you can change the blink speed again from here in the expression. Now when this is okay for you, you can duplicate this solid layer, press P to get the position, and reposition the second dot. Now when you have done everything, you can go to Window and then Effects and Presets to get the panel. Now go to the digits and duplicate this composition by pressing Ctrl D. Go to the Effects and Presets and search for Gaussian Blur. Apply the Gaussian Blur effects to the bottom layer and then blur it a bit, and when it looks nice like a glow, then just duplicate the upper two layers and drop the same, copy paste the same effect on them by using Ctrl C and then Ctrl V in the effect control panel, and here you have your nice looking animation.